Good morning to all. We started discussion about this topic, tax as well as money exchange, which is second chapter of grade 10 mathematics according to syllabus of CDC. So we are going to discuss on this topic and we will start the exercise related to tax, and after that we'll do some discussion related to money exchange, then we'll solve the exercise related to money exchange also. We discussed about the tax in grade 9 also. In grade 9 we discussed about school service, this education service tax, similarly telecom service tax, generally service charge only, and income tax, value added tax. About these things we discussed in grade 9 also, and we are repeating the terms value added tax here also. यहाँ पे त्यही कुरा रिपिट गर्दै जानेछौँ, nothing more than that. And one thing which we have to calculate here in grade 10 are the questions related to profit and loss. Profit and loss को related questions हरू केही यहाँ हुन सक्छन्. Those may be of 2 marks, 1 marks or 4, as well as maybe of 5. So for that we need the concept of profit and loss which we learned in grade 9. So for that, as we already calculated in previous classes, actual profit, that means profit is equal to SP minus CP. Similarly, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Loss percent is equal to loss divided by CP into 100%. Similarly, SP is CP plus profit percent of CP. If there is profit and profit percent is given, profit percent of profit दिएको बेला SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP हुन्छ, and SP is equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. If there is loss भएको बेला minus हुन्छ, profit भएको बेला plus हुन्छ. Only that is the difference in these two. And similarly, cost price is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent if there is profit. If there is loss, we have to use negative sign in place of positive sign. Just these are for revision. Now, in topic of discount, if discount means, as we learned previously, difference between the price said by shopkeeper and the price paid by customer. शपकीपर ले भनेको प्राइस र कस्टमरले पे गरेको प्राइसको बीचको डिफरेन्सलाई हामी डिस्काउन्ट भन्छौँ भनेको थियौँ. Shopkeeper provides offer to sell the things, sometimes because of festivals, maybe to sell the old items. त्यहाँ अनेक पोलिसी हुन सक्छ. Maybe they want to sell their items rather than other company, अरू कम्पनीको भन्दा आफ्नो आइटम बढी बेच्न चाहेको हुन सक्छन्. So this offer amount is called the discount. The simple sentence and simple formula used to find out the discount amount: certain percent of market price, that means discount percent of market price, and selling price after discount, market price minus discount amount, MP minus discount percent of MP भन्ने खोजेको. Similarly, discount amount is MP minus SP. Difference between market price and selling price, as I already discussed while discussing about first paragraph. Discount amount is the difference between market price and selling price. तिनीहरु बीचको डिफरेन्सलाई हामी डिस्काउन्ट भन्छौं. And formula to calculate the discount percentage: discount divided by market price into 100%. And in case of tax, about direct tax and indirect tax we discussed in grade 9 also. यो कुरा डिस्कस गरिसकेका छौं. यहाँ mainly we will discuss about VAT, and sometimes some question may be related to income tax. Maybe these are given in your exercise or we will solve those from 10 sheets. VAT percent is equal to SP with VAT minus SP. That means VAT amount. Difference between SP with VAT and SP is VAT amount. If it is divided by SP and multiplied by 100%, it gives us VAT percent. Okay. So these concepts are clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
So let's move to exercise now. Exercise 2.1 of book of CDC. Calculate the price with VAT of the following cases. I left question number 1. Let's see what's there is in question number 1, why I left it. 1 number किन leave गरेको because there are some definitions those we have to write. त्यहाँ definitions बाहेक केही पनि छैन. Okay, define profit percent, loss percent, discount percent, bonus. You learned this in grade 9. Income tax, what is income tax, that we have to write. What is VAT, we have to write. So these are just question related to definitions. These you can write yourself. Because of that I left these for you. And we are moving to question number 2 here now. It is said to calculate the price with VAT. That means SP with VAT we have to calculate. Here only market price as well as VAT percent are given. Market price is 4,200. VAT is equal to 13%. According to our general concept which we learned up to now, VAT is added on selling price. VAT कसमा एड गरिन्छ भन्ने पढ्या छौं त हामीले. Selling price मा एड गरिन्छ भन्ने पढ्या छौं. But if there is neither discount nor selling price, discount was selling price दिएको छैन भने, in that case we have to add the VAT directly to market price. Just remember it. This we are discussing here in grade 10 only. यो भन्दा पहिला VAT कहाँ एड हुन्छ भनेको थियौं त फाइनली जुन प्राइस आउँछ सेलिङ प्राइस त्यसमा हामी VAT एड गर्छौं भनेको छौं. तर डिस्काउन्ट नै दिएको छैन भने एसपी भनेकै एमपी हुन्छ. यदि कुनै ब्यागको प्राइस मानौ 2700, एउटा ब्यागको प्राइस 2700 भन्ने शपकिपरले अथवा 1700 भन्ने प्राइस अफ अ ब्याग, त्यो ब्यागमा हामीले डिस्काउन्ट नै मागेनौं भने त सेलिङ प्राइस पनि त्यही भयो कि भएन?
Yes, sir.
That is selling price also. So if discount or selling price are not given, in that case market price is selling price itself. Market price नै selling price हुन्छ. त्यसैले VAT यसमै एड गर्नुपर्छ यस्तो टाइपको क्वेशनमा. So here we have market price is rupees 4,200 and VAT percent is 13%. Then to find out the price with VAT, directly we can add VAT to MP. General formula for price with VAT, SP with VAT is SP plus VAT percent of SP हुन्छ. तर यहाँ VAT market price मा कुनै पनि डिस्काउन्ट नदिएको हुनाले here the formula is MP plus VAT percent of MP. So put the values. Value of market price is 4,200. VAT percent is 13%. Of MP again 4,200. Now do calculations here. 4,200 plus 13% is 13 by 100. 13 divided by 100 into 4,200. So what will be its value? 13 divided by 100 into 4,200. Please calculate.
546.
These zeros cancelled in from numerator and denominator, and we have to write
546.
okay 546. Now add these two values.
47, 46.
4,746, and this is our required answer. So if you have any confusion in any line, you may ask. Otherwise, I think
No,
it is
sir.
easy question.
Yes, sir.
It's not the question among difficult ones. Next question. Market price is equal to 70,000, discount 5%, VAT 13%. So again, we have to find out the price with VAT. If market price is given, discount percentage also given, VAT percentage also given. यो तीनटै दिएको केसमा के गर्ने भन्ने क्वेशन हो. So if MP is 70,000, discount percent is 5%, VAT percent is 13%, then we can find out the selling price after subtracting discount from market price. Market price पर discount minus गरेर selling price आउँछ. Just this is the formula. Nothing more than that. यहाँनिर हामीले यो formula use गरेको. And after this line, put values of market price as well as discount percent. Market price is 70,000 minus discount percent is 5% of market price means 70,000. It is 70,000 minus 5 by 100. What is value of 5 by 100? Into 70,000.
0.0.
We can cancel out
0.0.
these two values.
35.
5 into 700.
35.
Okay, total it is
3,500.
1,500. Subtract it from 70,000.
$66,500.
66,500 rupees. This is the selling price. Again, there is VAT
Yes.
percent also. So here we have to say price with VAT, or we can say SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. SP ma VAT amount जोडेपछि SP with VAT आउँछ. This is VAT amount. VAT percent of SP is VAT amount. If it is added to SP, it becomes SP with VAT. So SP, selling price after discount, we have calculated, that is 66,500 plus VAT percent is 13%. So it is 66,500 plus 13% of 66,500. Do calculations for it. 66,500 plus 13 by 100 into 66,500. These are cancelled. Multiply 13 and 665.
8,645.
Yes.
8,645.
Okay. 8,645. Add these two values now.
75,145. 75,145.
145. This is our required answer. That is price with VAT. Okay. It is clear to you all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's move to next question now. Question number 2E. Market price is rupees 4 lakh, profit is 20,000, discount is 10%, VAT is equal to 13%. So what do you think? Why this profit is given here? Profit the cost price bata calculate huncha. There is no any topic related to cost price. Yani cost price ko kura aayeko chaina, but profit is given. Why?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Okay. Generally, while calculating price with VAT, we have to use market price. Market price बाट discount subtract गरिन्छ, and after subtracting discount from market price, we have to add the VAT on selling price. So selling price आउँछ, after subtracting discount from market price, we will get selling price. On that selling price, if VAT is added, it becomes price with VAT. यो SP with VAT बनिहाल्छ. यहाँ प्रॉफिट को कुनै पनि कन्डिसन या प्रॉफिट एड गर्नुपर्ने सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने कुनै कन्डिसन नै छैन. जस्ट दिस इज गिवन टु यु टु मेक यु कन्फ्युज. यो प्रॉफिट दिएको छ, कहीं एड गर्नुपर्ने पो हो कि के गर्नुपर्ने हो, त्यसको लागि दिएको. सो डोन्ट थिंक दैट दिस इज गिवन मीन्स वी हैव टु डू समथिङ विथ इट. यो दिएको छ भन्दैमा यो एड गर्नुपर्छ माइनस गर्नुपर्छ त्यस्तो बुझ्ने होइन. जस्ट दिस इज गिवन टु मेक यु कन्फ्युज. ओके. So it does not have any work. इसको के काम छैन. We'll use market price, discount as well as VAT.
Okay.
So can you calculate the SP with VAT as like question number C, previous one?
Obviously.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you calculating?
Yes, sir.
Just use market price, discount and VAT percent. First SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. Then after getting SP, SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP.
Sir, actually that is 4,68,000.
4 lakh
4,06,800.
4,06,800. Others also calculated. If you have calculated, tell the answer. Prajwal, are you doing it?
4,68,000.
He said the same, sir. 4,06,800.
And what about others?
Yes, sir.
Dibya, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Doing. Okay. Look at its final answer. This profit don't have any use. Market price 4 lakh, discount 10%, VAT percent is 13%. So SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. So it is 40,000 minus 10 by 100 of 40,000. It will be 40,000 minus, sorry, 4 lakh minus 40,000, 3,60,000. Again, there is VAT, price with VAT, SP plus VAT percent of SP. 3,60,000 plus 13 by 100 of 3,60,000. It is 3,60,000 plus 46,800, and after adding, we get 4,06,800. This is our final answer. Others also completed or just looking on screen only? If completed or not completed, try to complete it afterward. Question number 3 now. Calculate the market price of each of following. Discount is 15%, VAT 13%, paid amount is 7,49,190, and market price is equal to what? MP is asked. Paid amount means SP with VAT. Finally, pay gareko price la hami SP with VAT bhanchau. So it is SP with VAT 7,49,180. VAT percent is 13%, discount percent is 15%. There are two methods to solve this question. One method, you can look at example of your book. MP la X manera गर्ने गरिन्छ. That is one method.
Yes.
Another method which we are using here is a bit different than that. Paid amount is rupees 7,49,190. Discount percent is 15%. VAT percent is 13%. And it is asked to find out market price. Market price find out गर्न भनेको छ, and start from the given value. Market price बाट second process हाम्रो हुनुपर्ने त SP हो. SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. But we don't have MP. MP को value नभएको हुनाले जुन value दिएको छ paid amount, that is SP with VAT. SP with VAT दिएको छ, त्यसैको formula use गर्यौं. Paid amount is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. Put values given to us. 7,49,190 is equal to selling price plus 13% of selling price. That percent is 13%. So it is 7,49,190 is equal to selling price plus 13 by 100 into selling price. So what is the value of 13 by 100?
0.13.
0.13. So it is 7,49,190 is equal to selling price plus 0.13 selling price. If there is selling price, if there is X, what is its meaning? कुनै ठाउँमा X छ, X plus 2X छ भने यो X लाई कति मान्छौं हामी? 1X. Similarly, here also in this question, SP, we have to think it as 1 SP. You 1 SP छ, यतापट्टि 0.13 SP. So add these two. SP means 1 SP and another one is 0.13 SP. Add both values. दुईटैलाई add गर त
1.13.
1.13 SP. Now to get value of SP, take it to left side and divide it. यता लगेर divide गरिदियो मात्रै. And you will get the value of SP. SP is equal to 7,49,190 divided by 1.13, and find out the value after dividing.
6,63,000.
It is 6,63,000. Okay. Now after getting selling price, use the formula of selling price. यसपछि selling price को formula use गर. Selling price is equal to market price minus discount percent of market price. Selling price we have calculated just now, 6,63,000 is equal to market price we don't have, छैन हामीसँग, we have to calculate it, minus 15% is discount percent of market price. Again do similar process, use similar process as like previous calculation. यता paid amount को formula use गरेर जुन calculation use गरेका थियौं त्यस्तै यहाँ पनि use गरेर 6,63,000 is equal to market price minus 15 by 100. What is value of 15 by 100?
0.15.
0.15.
0.15. and it is 0.15 MP. If there is MP, that means there is 1 MP. 1 minus 0.15. 1 MP minus 0.15.
0.85.
Yes, it will be
0.85
0.85 MP. So to find out the value of MP, again divide it here. यहाँ लगेर divide करा. Then you will get the value of MP. Market price is equal to 6,63,000 divided by 0.85. Divide it.
7,80,000.
7,80,000.
80,000. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the final answer, and which is our required answer. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
If there is no confusion, let's move to next question. Question number 4A.
Once let me take a screenshot of that.
Previous one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Taken.
Done. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move to next one. Question number 4A. The market price of a mobile set is rupees 6,000. What will be the price of that mobile set if 13% VAT is levied after allowing 5% discount? Find it. Question is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Just the same question is given as a story. त्यसै क्वेशनलाई एउटा सेन्टेन्स स्टोरी बनाइदिएको छ. MP of mobile set is 6,000. That means market price MP is 6,000. What will be the price of that mobile set if 13% VAT is levied after allowing 5% discount? 5% discount दिइसकेपछि 13% VAT त्यो मोबाइलमा एड हुन्छ भने त्यो मोबाइलको फाइनल प्राइस कति होला? What will be the price of that mobile after VAT? That means we have to find out the SP with VAT. SP with VAT find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. So main thing is you have to understand the question. VAT पहिला दिए पनि डिस्काउन्ट नै पहिला अलाउ हुन्छ. त्यसैले फर्स्टमा यो VAT क्वेशनमा VAT फर्स्टमा दिएको भए पनि आफ्टर अलाउइङ डिस्काउन्ट भनेको छ, अथवा डिस्काउन्ट जहिले पनि मार्केट प्राइसबाटै डिस्काउन्ट हुन्छ, VAT SP मा नै एड हुन्छ. So here in this question market price is 6,000. Price with VAT is not given. We have to find out. Discount percent is 5%, VAT percent is 13%. And we know the formula SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. That is 6,000 minus 5% of 6,000. Find out value of 5 by 100 into 6,000. Zeros cancel. 5, 6 are 30. It will be 300.
300. Yes, sir.
Okay. 6,000 minus 300. It is rupees 5,700.
700.
This is selling price. Now, price with VAT is selling price plus VAT percent of selling price. Selling price we have calculated just now. Selling price 5,700 plus VAT percent 13% of 5,700. Again, just do the calculations. Calculation बाहेक केही पनि गर्नुपर्ने छैन. 100 0 0 cancel. 13 into 57. Multiply 13 and 57.
741.
Okay. 5,700 plus 741.
6,441.
The total it is 6,441. So final price that customer have to pay is rupees 6,441. This is our required answer. Is this clear to you all?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the questions which I prepared for you. Let's look at some remaining questions of here in this exercise. Look at question number 3, D and E. C सम्म त्यहाँ केही पनि प्रब्लम छैन, सबैमा डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट दिएको छ, VAT percent is given, paid amount is also given, and it is said to find out MP. But here it is said bonus. अब यहाँ बोनसको हामीसँग कुनै केस छैन, बोनस कहाँबाट दिइन्छ भनेर 9 क्लासमा पढाएको थियौँ त हामीले। बोनस इज पेड फ्रम द नेट प्रॉफिट टु द एम्प्लोई, कर्मचारीहरूलाई नेट प्रॉफिटबाट बोनस पे गरिन्छ भनेर हामीले 9 क्लासमा पढाएको थियौँ। तर जनरल प्रोसेस पनि त्यही हो। जनरल प्रोसेस अफ बोनस इज it is provided to employees from the net profit. But here we are going to calculate market price by using final price, that means SP with VAT as well as VAT percent. So this bonus does not represents the bonus which we learned in previous class. त्यो बोनस होइन, यहाँ यो बोनसले हामीलाई दिएको डिस्काउन्ट भन्ने नै बुझिने हो। 5% हामीलाई डिस्काउन्ट दिएको भन्ने बुझेर take it as discount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So while doing calculation of these both questions, take this 5% and 4% as discount percent, and these you can define. If you don't know any definition, you may ask it to me. These 2-3 questions we already did. Now look at question number 4. The market price of electric water heater is 5,200. Shopkeeper allows 5% discount and adds 13% VAT. Then how much will customer pay for that heater? त्यो heater को customer ले कति pay गर्नु पर्ला? That is asked here to us. Heater को customer ले कति pay गर्नु पर्ला भन्ने सोधेको छ. That means we have to find out the SP with VAT as like question number 4A. 4A मा जसरी हामीले SP with VAT निकाल्यौं त्यसरी नै यहाँ पनि SP with VAT नै निकाल्नु पर्ने हो. Question number C. The market price of motorcycle was 1,85,000. What would be the price of motorcycle if 13% VAT was levied after allowing 10% festival discount? 10% festival discount दिएर मोटरसाइकल बेच्दा 13% VAT एड गरेपछि मोटरसाइकलको प्राइस कति होला? So again we have to find out the SP with VAT. यहाँ MP दिएको छ. This is market price. First find out SP by using formula MP minus discount percent of MP. त्यो गरेपछि SP आउँछ. Then find out SP with VAT, SP plus VAT percent of SP. Similarly in question number D, the market price of camera is 16,000. Camera को market price MP दिएको छ 16,000 छ. If the camera is sold with 15% discount, first मा त्यो camera मा 15% discount दियो, then 13% VAT, त्यसपछि 13% त्यसमा VAT add भयो. Then find the amount of VAT. We don't have to calculate the SP with VAT. SP with VAT calculate गर्नु पर्ने छैन. At first calculate SP, then VAT amount means VAT percent of SP जति आउँछ. Here we have to calculate VAT amount, which is equal to VAT. I did mistake here. VAT must be capital. VAT percent of SP. You know how to calculate SP. SP निकाल्ने process सबैलाई थाहा छ. MP minus discount percent of MP. And after that you have to do up to here only. You don't have to calculate SP with VAT. You have to calculate SP VAT percent of SP only, VAT amount only. So all of you complete up to question number 4. And we'll do remaining question. That means question from 5, or if you don't know any question up to 4, I'll do that for you. Okay, this much for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Stay safe.